In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a web page using Microsoft Edge. Whether you need a physical copy of an article, tickets, or just prefer reading from paper, this guide is for you. Printing from your browser is a straightforward process, but having a clear walkthrough can help you feel more confident if it's not something you do every day. First, let's start by opening Microsoft Edge on your device. You can do this by locating and clicking on its icon, which typically resembles a blue and green swirl. Once you have Microsoft Edge open, navigate to the web page you wish to print. It could be anything from a news article or a recipe to travel itineraries or confirmation pages. With the desired web page open, shift your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll notice three small dots aligned vertically. This is commonly known as the More Options or Settings menu. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu that provides various options for customization and control over your browsing experience. In this menu, look for the option labeled Print. This is your gateway to setting up and finalizing your printing preferences. Once you click on Print, a new window will appear. This is what's referred to as the printer page layout, showing you a preview along with several printer settings that you can adjust before doing the actual printing. The page layout preview is a valuable tool because it lets you see exactly what the printed version will look like. At this stage, you'll have several options to choose from. You can select your printer, decide how many copies you need, and choose between color or black and white printing. You can also adjust the orientation of the page to portrait or landscape, depending on what suits your content best. Moreover, there are options to manage the scale, margins, and even choose specific pages to print if you don't need the entire document. Once all your preferences are set and you're happy with the preview, the next step involves clicking the Print button to start the process. Make sure your printer is switched on and properly connected to your computer or network to avoid any interruptions. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of printing a web page using Microsoft Edge. Keeping this skill in your back pocket can be incredibly handy, whether you're managing work documents, school projects, or personal tasks. Thank you for following along. And remember, like any skill, the more you practice, the more intuitive it becomes. Don't hesitate to hit the pause button or replay the video if you need a moment to catch up or revisit any steps. Happy printing, and see you in the next video.